sinabi nating Norton, ang tingin natin agad, Norton, may saksakan dyan agad. May barilan, di ba?
Ano na talaga yun eh? Stereotype next. I will put you on speaker at tabi ko yung aking commander-in-chief.
Ayos yan, kuya. Yung property na to is rented out.
Isang side.
So, duplex siya. Bakit hindi nyo po i-post to sa market?
Kumbaga, we must try a different...
Parang kami yung magtatanong, gano'n, we have to entertain.
Yun.
To get away with yung mga inquiries. Baka naghihintay na sagot, di rin namin masagot kaagad kasi may work.
I see. Ang asking nyo is 250. I don't think I can be the buyer po at 250. Kasi po, ang nakita kong comparables is nasa 240 lang. Now, I'm not saying yun lang yung resale value ng property nyo. Medyo nag-aalanganin po ako dahil po dun sa location nyo. I don't wanna downgrade yung property nyo po. Pag sinabi nating Norton, ang tingin natin agad, Norton, may saksakan dyan agad. May barilan, di ba?
Ano na talaga yun eh? Stereotype next.
Nung nakita ko kung magkano nyo siya binili, sabi ko, I don't think I can be the buyer for this kasi I don't think they're gonna go lower than $200,000.
Okay.
Ang gusto ko po i-suggest sa inyo is try nyo po yung market. Meron po mga buyers na sumusubok mag-rental property that they can pay more than we can.
That's okay. We tried lang naman.
Just tried lang.
Ang mas maganda po talaga sa inyo is kahit magbayad kayo ng realtor, mas maganda ilagay nyo siya sa market para mas kumita pa kayo. Maybe you could sell it closer to $300,000. No.
Okay.
Salamat po.
Okay.
Have a good night.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye. Sorry guys, di na naman para sa atin. It's okay.